Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 audio mixer DJ controller. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Audio mixer DJ controller. The professional 812 16-channel DJ audio mixer is a versatile stage essential, perfect for DJs and live performances. With 7-band EQ, 99 DSP effects, and plus 48V phantom power, it delivers precise sound control and crystal clear audio. Bluetooth and USB flash drive support make music playback seamless, while MP3 compatibility ensures flexible media options. Its built-in reverberation and dynamic effects enhance every track, creating a professional concert or party experience. Durable, user-friendly, and feature-rich, this mixer is ideal for both beginners and seasoned performers. Number 4. Audio mixer DJ controller. The Depushing AG8 8-channel mixer is a powerful professional audio console perfect for DJs and live stage setups. Featuring 99 DSP digital effects, it delivers crisp, dynamic sound and versatile audio control. The intuitive layout makes mixing smooth and precise, even for complex multi-channel setups. Its durable build ensures reliability during performances, while the high-quality preamps enhance audio clarity. Compact yet feature-rich, the AG8 is ideal for both professional events and home studios, offering excellent value for serious audio enthusiasts. Number 3. Audio mixer DJ controller. The Depushing 16-channel professional Bluetooth digital mixer is a versatile audio solution for DJs, musicians, and karaoke enthusiasts. With 16 channels, it provides extensive mixing capabilities, allowing precise control over vocals, instruments, and background tracks. The built-in Bluetooth makes wireless streaming easy, while its stereo output ensures clear, high-quality sound for recordings or live performances. Compact yet powerful, this mixer is ideal for stage use, home studios, and parties. User-friendly controls and durable design make it a reliable choice for both beginners and pros. Number 2. Audio mixer DJ controller. The GAX PM12 professional 12-channel audio mixer is a versatile and powerful solution for both stage and KTV use. Featuring 12 channels and a 7-band equalizer, it allows precise audio control and customization for vocals and instruments. The built-in USB switch adds modern connectivity for easy playback and recording. Its durable build ensures reliability during performances, while intuitive controls make it accessible for beginners and pros alike. Ideal for karaoke, live events, and studio setups, it delivers clear, high-quality sound every time. Number 1. Audio mixer DJ controller. The HDP10 audio mixer DJ controller is a versatile 10-channel mixer perfect for professional DJs and performers. With 99 DSP reverb effects, it delivers rich, immersive sound, ideal for recording or live performances. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity allows seamless streaming from devices, while intuitive controls make mixing and adjusting audio effortless. Its robust build ensures durability on stage, and the clear interface simplifies setup. Overall, the DP10 combines power, flexibility, and high-quality audio for a professional performance experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.